Your perfume stains on my bedsheet, now just a ghost in the backseat. I rewound all our old texts till the words lost all their depth. Tried to burn the photographs, but the ashes spelled your laugh. I'm not a poet, just a wounded rhyme, scratching goodbyes on the walls of time. You were the ink, I was just the page. Now I'm a story drowned in rain. Maybe love's just a faulty pen, leaks through the forever we pretend. Ooh, 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 ooh. Shadow still in the doorway frame, every mirror whispers your name. Pulled the thread from your old sweater, thought unraveling you might make it better. Hard to compass but it spins too fast, pointing backwards, chasing the past. I'm not a sailor, just lost at sea, floating on memories that will set me